This week, we explore the beautiful town of Nerja in Spain.
And we experience tapas as it should be.
We're here at Nerja in Andalusia and we're going to show you around and show you some highlights. Let's go. Plenty of spots for that cafe culture.
Looking across Nerja, there's certainly plenty to choose from an eating and drinking point of view. Very reasonable priced, great selection right across.
Remember Croatia, all the clouds over the mountains, it's similar here.
Been many times to Costa del Sol, and coming here to Nerja gives us a different experience. Very traditional, lovely lanes with shops, bars, restaurants, and the cliff trail walks are amazing as well. It's just so good to be back in Spain and so good to be back in the Costa del Sol. I do love coming to Spain and treat myself in one of the gelateries. What type of ice cream would you like, Nicola? We'll go and have a wee look.
When you highlight it, so it just boosts.
I love the traditional buildings here and all the Juliet balconies. Amazing. You got
There's a real traditional feel to Nerja. We've got these townhouses behind us. I feel like those are the ones that you see on Place in the Sun or anywhere that's talking about Spain, but they really are beautiful.
It's great to be here in Nerja. I've never been to this part of Andalusia before. There's a real traditional Spanish feel to the place, abundance of tapas restaurants, so I think now is the time to go and get some and get a nice glass of wine. Let's go. We're here in Redondo and Nerja's having a lovely night. Some red wine, some tapas, enjoying the vibe. What's brilliant in here and really surprising is if you buy a couple of drinks, you get a couple of tapas for free, and it just continues all night. So it keeps you on a nice pace, and it's just really, really good value that I don't think you get in many places. Cheers.
My friend, come on, look, just that.
I think I have encountered the bargain of a lifetime, to be fair. So we sat in a tapas bar from 6 o'clock to about 9 o'clock tonight. 4 wines, 2 beers, 6 tapas, and olives and a bread for €19. Wow, who says there's a cost of living crisis happening? Spain is definitely better value in the UK any day of the week.
We've had a lovely stay here in Nerja. The place is really attractive. There's a real mix of traditional and new, and I think it caters for everyone really.
I'd say so. I've loved Nerja, fantastic place. I would definitely come back. I'm just thinking to myself, how have I not been before? I think it's one of the better places on the Costa del Sol and along the Malaga coast.
We hope you enjoyed this short review of Nerja. Follow us along for more as we look at other resorts along the Costa del Sol in this series of videos. See you next time.
See you next time.